Anyway, hey guys, it's Dominique. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we are discussing lip glosses. Clear lip glosses, my favorite clear lip glosses. If you are a lip gloss connoisseur, aficionado, enthusiast such as myself, then you know all clear lip glosses are not the same. They are not. Just because it's clear does not make it similar. My favorite clear lip glosses, and we're going to go through them one by one. So you have cost, you have is it easy to find, scents, thickness, texture, longevity. So these glosses aren't in any particular order. These are just my top 5 that I honestly do use. So the first one, and you can't even see the label anymore, this is the Ruby Kisses Mood Changing Lip Gloss, or Mood Gloss. Like I said, you can't even see. This color is in Kiss Me Without a Trace, SLGO1. This one was about $2, I want to say. I got it from iCatehouse.com. You know, everything on there is like less than $3. I have seen these in some beauty supply stores, not many, and I believe there were like maybe 3 to 4, maybe 3 to 5 different colors, even though majority of the like mood changing lip glosses that you might get from like the beauty supply, they don't really come in like super outrageous colors. Like, it's literally clear. But the thing I like about this lip gloss is how slick it is. So I'm gonna apply this to my hand and onto a piece of paper so you can really see it. It does have a pinkish tone, and the longer that I keep this on my hand, or if I like walked around and did something, it would warm up just a little bit, but not nothing too crazy. So I do like this, like if I'm just trying to grab something and go. How it looks on my hand, and this is how it looks on a sheet of paper. What is the full name? Burt's Bees 100% Natural Lip Shine. I seen this one when those girls were really popular on Instagram. They was like Somebody's Angels, like it was a group of them, and people were saying that they was like prostitutes, something. I don't know. But I followed their beauty page, and they were raving about this one in this particular shade called Blush 020. You can find this at Walgreens, possibly CVS. I know you can find it at Ulta. So I'm pretty sure that's where I got mine from. I want to say no more than $5. You know, Burt's Bees, the whole natural organic stuff, it can kind of get a little bit pricey, but it really wasn't that pricey. As far as scent, this one I just did, I'm sorry, this one that I just did, it didn't have too much of a scent, but this one, it definitely has an odd scent to me. I don't necessarily care for it, but I do like the color payoff. It just has a nice color to it, but it doesn't last long. So as you can tell, this one isn't as, I guess, bright as the Ruby Kisses one, but it does have some color to it. Also, the thickness on this one, I do like the thickness, but like I said, it doesn't last too long. This is the Burt's Bees color. Number 3 is Ruby Kisses Hydrating Lip Oil Treatment Gloss. So I was looking at the ingredients thinking that it had like vitamin E oil, because that seems to be popular in a lot of lip glosses and whatnot. But this one actually has sweet almond oil, and y'all know, like, that's one of my favorite essential oils. Like, I use it in my natural hair all the time. So it has sweet almond oil, and it also has jojoba oil. This one I found at my local beauty supply, like literally the one down the street from me. and it was $1.99. Like, I remember the little sign. It was $1.99. Texture is thick, no sliding, stays put, just high shine gloss. It just stays put, like it doesn't run. It smells minty, like, I don't know, it smells fresh. I don't know how else to say that. Like, it just smells fresh. It kind of smells like, it almost smells like my tea tree oil, but they may be pushing it. I don't know, it just has a fresh scent to it. Lasts pretty decent time. And yeah, this one's pretty good. Again, $1.99. And I don't really think that the label on this one will scratch off as easy as this one did. I don't know. But this one is called Clear RL001. Ruby Kisses again. I like Ruby Kisses products. I really do. This one, the packaging is kind of like cracking and peeling a little bit. This one is called Crystal Gloss Lip Gloss Shea Butter Enriched. Color is TLG12 Totally Naked. This one, something about this packaging, like, I don't know, it almost attracts like lint, I guess. It's like, I like getting my money's worth. I know this was like $1 and some change, but squeeze out a little bit and like it's pouring out. Like, it's almost like they fill this to capacity almost. Really, really thick, like sticky thick. Like, and you know how, like, say if I was outside or whatever and the wind blew and I had this lip gloss on, this lip gloss is going to hold on to this hair for dear life. So just be mindful of that. I like it. The price was good. I can find it in majority of my beauty supply stores. It's cheap. The packaging is okay. The thickness is really good if that's what you like. Like I said, sometimes this is a little bit too thick, but it does last pretty long. This one is thicker than the Ruby Kisses lip oil. Because it has oil, it's going to be a little bit more slippery. This one, extremely like thick. Like, I don't know how else to say it. Thick, and like I said, the packaging, not that good. If you put this in your bag or in your jean pocket, you might want to wipe it off after use. Here is the Ruby Kisses Crystal Gloss. Okay, last but not least, number one, the one that I have been liking the most, have been reaching for the most, is this Max Makeup Chamoya lip polish. It's clear gloss, and that's just the name of it. Like, it's clear gloss, but it does have vitamin E, grapeseed oil, fragrance, mineral oil. Got this for probably $2. And it reminds me of Max lip gloss. I forget the name right now, but my mom used it all the time. Like, when I think of clear lip gloss, I think about the 90s, early 2000s. Because you can tell this is supposed to be a knockoff version of Max lip gloss. And when I think of lip gloss, I just think about my mom. She stayed buying their lip gloss. Like, I hated it as a kid, but I didn't like it because it was so thick. But now I can appreciate a thick lip gloss because I feel like they last longer. But this is definitely kind of looking like a knockoff version, which I'm cool with because I ain't got $20 for no lip gloss right now. Unless it's like buxom, because it's lip gloss and it's a lip plumper in one. So yeah. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It's perfect consistency, and I like the dome shaped applicator. Like, I just feel like it contours my lips perfectly. I like the slanted lip, you know, lip gloss applicators. Let me see, this one has it, yeah. that's cool, but I don't know, it just, I don't know, I guess this is just nostalgic for me. But yeah, this is the perfect texture. Like, it's not too thick, it's not too thin, it lasts long, it's easy to find, it's cheap. So it's definitely my top favorite. The packaging, it doesn't scratch off, like it's not gonna crack and peel. See, I can throw it in my pocket and I'm not fearful that it's gonna be any lip gloss in my pocket when I go to take them off or when I put my hands in my pockets. It's just perfect. Like, that is my favorite one right now.